Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to show numbers row on your keyboard. First of all, go to the typing interface and see the keyboard. Number row is not available along with letters. Okay, so if you would like to get number rows in the keyboard itself here, okay, only if you click on this 1 2 3 numbers row are showing. Okay, so if you would like to get numbers row in the front keyboard itself, yes, you can do it. What you got to do, just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to system management, and here go to languages and input, and here go to on screen keyboard and select manage on screen keyboard and click on Gboard and click on preferences, and here just turn on first button number row, so that number row will be added to your phone. Okay, see your keyboard number row will be added. So in the front keyboard itself you can see the number from 1 to 0. Okay, so in this way you can easily add number row in your phone keyboard for iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.